The mission of the American Lung Association is to save lives by improving lung health and preventing lung disease. We are so grateful for Homes by Tabor by providing this check. We have so many amazing programs here right in Oklahoma. We have education in our schools for children with asthma. We have a great program for high schools and middle schools, a teen vaping program. It's a vape-free school initiative. We have some amazing programs that are helping not only clinics be able to treat asthma patients and lower income, but we have some really awesome programs for like our lung cancer support group. COVID is a respiratory disease, and so the American Lung Association pretty early on decided that we were going to invest a lot of resources and time and energy into preventing COVID. So we've got some great programs right now, research that is going on, not only to how can we prevent any future respiratory pandemics like this, but also how can we help patients with long COVID and the long-lasting effects of COVID. I'm really proud of the work that we've done to not only treat COVID-19, but also how can we prevent it from ever happening again. We have an initiative called Lung Force, and that is our initiative just to not only raise awareness of lung cancer, provide education for lung cancer, but also research. Now, because of the American Lung Association and the great work that we're doing, we have over 20 new treatments for lung cancer. And so while it is still the leading cause of cancer deaths in women and men in America and Oklahoma, we are doing some really great work. More work needs to be done, but we have seen so much improvement in just the last 8 years. Right now, all of the research that you see done on lung cancer is how can we treat it. But right now, the last couple of years, the American Lung Association is funding research on how can we prevent lung cancer. So what is the root cause of lung cancer, and how can we prevent it from happening? Because we're seeing so many women in their 20s and 30s with lung cancer right now, and who've never smoked a day in their life, and that is just not acceptable. So we have a lot of work to do, but we are making progress, and we're so grateful to Homes by Tabor to helping us in that mission also.